What's up, guys? How are you all doing today, guys? Today we are going to be unboxing the DualSense charging station. I just decided to have one today for my controller because I don't really want to maybe when I have to play long time of my game, so I can just switch anytime I want. So, and this one is even more better than the third-party chargers. Despite that this one is more expensive, but it's worth it. This is why I decided to get this one. So this one is a charging tool controller, and free up your space, free up the ports, free up USB ports. This is and click in design. This is very nice, guys. So let's see what we have inside. So we have the menu. This is the menu inside. Just to show you, if you don't know what to do, you can look to the menu to see what you can do. And we have the here is the adapter. And this is the cord, the plug we have for that will go for the light. So this is what we use in my region here. This is the plug that we use in my region. It depends on your region. This is going to be changing. And now we have the block for the charging. It's really nice. It's very portable, and it looks like the PlayStation itself. The design looks like PlayStation. The PS logo is here. You see, this is very nice, very beautiful, I love the interior of it, the way they make it just the same the color as the PlayStation. Very beautiful, very fine. The design is very nice. It's very nice. You can just place it here. You just plug it here like this. This is how you plug it. And you connect this one. You just connect this to the light here. It click. You hear the sound when it click. You see when it click, you see the light here. The light here is indicating that it's charging. See? You just click. Just like a magnet. It clicked. As you can see, the light. For me, I think this one is better. It's very better. For me, this is what I think. This is very nice. You can just take it anytime when you're going down. You just place it and charging. You don't stop. Maybe when you are playing, when you are live streaming, you have your battery is just run down. Then you just switch. I think this idea is very nice, guys. It's very nice for me. So I prefer this one. See, as you can see now, it's charging. It's showing the light here. That's showing that it's charging here over here. See, the two is working. As you can see. It's very nice, very beautiful. I like it. Everything is just portable. The way they plan it. Thank you, guys. So this is all I really want to show us today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel and give a like. And see you again in my next video. Bye bye.